Hey, how y'all doing? Glad that you're here now, here in this healing atmosphere. And oh, the power is with you. It's joy and it's blessing, unified in the present. That's why we're here, 'cause the time is now, the party's just begun. We brought ourselves together, now we're gonna have some fun. Time is of the essence, so what y'all gonna do? We gotta live in the moment before tomorrow catches up with you. This is an easy song, y'all. Check it out. It's gonna be a wonderful night. Do you believe that? And if you're feeling come on, just wait and see. So hold on tight, 'cause I'm feeling good tonight. Look at you, sound feeling good. 'Cause I'm feeling good tonight. Are you feeling good, people? Yeah, 'cause I'm feeling good tonight. Come on, hey, 'cause I'm feeling good tonight. Look at that, put the hands together. Check this out. Stay, we're in this together. No longer alone now. Having to take it all on your own. 'Cause you made it this far, so keep on moving. It's like that we're choosing, so love who you are. 'Cause we're down now, the love has begun. We brought ourselves together, and have some fun. Time is of the essence, so what y'all wanna do? You gotta live in the moment, for tomorrow catches up. Feeling good tonight. It's gonna be a wonderful night. Hey! And if the feeling's moving you right, just wait and see. So hold on tight, 'cause we're feeling good tonight. Come on, put your hands together. Hey! 'Cause we're feeling good tonight. All right now, people. Hey! Are you feeling good tonight? That's what I'm talking about. Hey! 'Cause we're feeling good tonight. Tonight. Feeling good tonight. It's gonna be a wonderful night. And if the feeling's moving you right, just wait and see. So hold on tight, 'cause I'm feeling good tonight. Feeling good tonight. It's gonna be a wonderful night. And if the feeling is moving you right, just wait and see. So hold on tight, 'cause I'm feeling good tonight. God bless y'all, and enjoy the rest of the day. Peace.